Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to make a music rhythm LED light circuit using a microphone. So let's get started. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of every video. Here is the required component for this project. Here I will be using the red line as the positive power supply and the black line as the negative power supply. Here is the circuit diagram of this project. Placing Q1 transistor in the breadboard. Connect a 100 nanofarad capacitor with the base of Q1 transistor. Connect a 10 kilo-ohm resistor between the positive power supply and 100 nanofarad capacitor. Connect a microphone with 100 nanofarad capacitor and negative power supply. Connect a 10 kilo-ohm resistor between the collector of Q1 and the positive power supply. Connect a 1 mega-ohm resistor between the base of Q1 and the positive power supply. Connect the emitter of Q1 transistor to the negative power supply. Now place Q2, Q3 and Q4 in the breadboard. Connect 220 ohm resistor between the emitter of these three transistors, Q2, 3, 4. Connect the base of all three transistors together, Q2, 3, 4. Connect the collector of Q1 transistor with the base of Q2 transistor. Connect the cathode of 3 LED with the collector of 3 transistors. And anode to the positive power supply. Finally proving power supply. When any sound will detect, then the LED will blink. That's how it works. So I'm using music to make blink the LED. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video.